The DJI Air 2S, the best all-around drone in 2025. The Air 2S has the same reliable and robust build quality that DJI drones display. The appearance is very similar to that of the Mavic Air 2 with some differences. First of all, obstacle detection sensors were added on top of the drone, as well as an auxiliary light below to facilitate takeoff and landing in low light. The collapsible design of the Mavic series remains familiar and makes it very easy to transport. When folded, the DJI Air 2S measures just 180 by 97 by 80 millimeters, with SI 4 millimeters shorter than its predecessor and can fit in the palm of your hand. Weighing in at 595 grams, the DJI Air 2S is really a light drone and weighs only 25 grams more than the Air 2, which is quite impressive considering it has the bigger camera. The DJI Air 2S is extremely easy and safe, with automated flight modes and anti-collision features that give you all the help you need. Of course, the drone has the usual quick shot modes and automated flight modes that make it easy to create professional quality videos. DJI has also added a brand new mode called Master Shots that lets you generate professional quality sequences ready to share on social media. In this mode, the drone automatically flies around the subject and records 10 different video sequences from different angles. The app then assembles these scenes and adds music to produce a video that you can instantly share online. Also included in the mix is the focus track mode with several program modes where the pilot must draw a frame around the subject for the drone to follow. There's also a Spotlight 2.0 mode where the drone is controlled manually by the pilot with the camera locked on the subject, so the subject is always in the center of the frame. DJI Air 2S is extremely safe to fly thanks to obstacle sensors around the drone, in front, behind, below, and above the aircraft. They use binocular zoom technology to recognize the most distant objects when they're moving quickly. For the listed price tag, we find this one highly impressive.